In this video, I'm going to go through how to update a JBOX or a Swaptix host device via OTA, which is over the air. So you can do this on your phone, a laptop, iPad, anything you have that's accessible that can get on the internet, as well as have a web browser. And so I'm going to walk you through how to update the device. So right now I'm looking at my Wi-Fi screen. Now, whenever I plug in the JBOX, particularly, it only has a web server active for like 45 seconds once you turn it on before it starts and launches into its own game mode and switches over to ESP now, which is no longer an internet protocol that your phone or laptop can recognize. Only ESP devices can. So right now I don't see the Wi-Fi for the JBOX because it's not plugged in. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take a look at my files. Now this is the updated file on the top here. It says JBOX update 11.7.24 bin. So I just created this just to make it as an example. There's no real changes in the firmware for this update, so there's nothing for you to update now per this video, but it's just an example of how to update the device. So this is the file that you want to update. Now, whenever I do connect to the device, this is what the web server will look like, and I'm going to refresh it to make sure I'm paired and connected to the page once I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. And then under the debug settings, debug updates, it says click here to upload directly, right here on the bottom. So I'm not sure if you see that right there, but here at the very bottom, click here to update. This is how we update the device, both on the Swaptix host device as well as the JBOX. Swaptix host device, you don't have a time limit to do it because it's always on regular Wi-Fi. But the JBOX, you do only have 45 seconds to do it. So I'm doing it on my phone because my phone connects faster to the web server and ESP32s than my laptop does. You may find it to be the opposite, whatever depends on your device. So I use the one that connects and pairs to it fastest to make sure I have enough time to get the upload file in there before it errors and times out. If it errors and times out, you simply just have to reset it and just do it again. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in the device right here, and you're going to see the Wi-Fi pop up in just a second after I refresh the Wi-Fi. So it's plugged in now. Okay, I'm going to go back and refresh my Wi-Fi settings. And there's the JBOX 100. Once it's done spiraling and connects, I'm going to switch over to my web server, refresh the page, go down to the options, click here to upload directly, choose the file, and click on this file. And it automatically starts uploading. It goes pretty quick. And after it's done 100%, you'll see the OLED display glitching a little bit on the ESP32. And after a couple seconds, it'll just automatically reboot. Okay. So that's all the process is. It says OTA success, right? Don't close the screen until it shows that. And right after it says OTA success, that's when you'll see the screen refresh on the OLED for a JCube, or the whole device will just reboot based on whatever type of JBOX you're using. You won't see a difference on the Swaptix host, but you will get this completion screen. And that's all you have to do, and now it's running the updated firmware. I can go back and refresh, and I've already repaired and reconnected. I can see my Wi-Fi indicator that it's connected to the JBOX again, and that's the update.